Are you still scared when you are going to speak? So this video is just for you. Hello everybody, it's me and I'm talking to you. I know very well that you're really struggling too much. That's why this video is just for you. I know also that you can speak like native and your speaking is too much. And guys, in this video, you're going to know that how we can remove our hesitation and you don't feel so scared. So without wasting your valuable time, let's come here and let's learn together. I also tell you all the time that because you're so better than me, you can speak so much. And guys, you're sweet talkers, your behavior, and you're also well behaved when you speak, then it's so listening and so suitable for listening and speaking. And guys, sometimes it happens that we feel scared when we are going to speak, but it's not happening with me for the person. So I'm telling, and they're my all wishers, that's why I'm making this just for video. And guys, if I talk why they're feeling like this, they're feeling so scared. Actually, they're not talking too much. If you speak all the time, if you try much more, you know that practice makes someone perfect. We know this proverb. But guys, practice and practice. How many times do you practice? If I tell you that in 24 hours, if you practice 2 hours. Oh, it's too much. I think that you don't need this time. You need just half an hour or 25 minutes. It's also too much. I will tell you that for the 5 minutes, if you talk every single day by yourself, definitely this is called practice. You can learn a lot of things. I don't think like this that if you practice every single day, you cannot lose anything, guys. Also, you can learn a number of things. And still now, I'm telling that don't feel so scared because this is a language. This is nothing but a language. Why do you feel so scared? And this is not a tiger. This is not a deer. Or guys, if you think like this, that this is a math problem, it is also not like that. It is a language. And if we talk that, what is language? It is used for communicate. So that's why we are using it, that we can understand people's word, people's sentence, what they're saying. Or still now, if you're feeling so hesitation, so I should make another video for this. But guys, if you're struggling too much that you should remove your scared, so I know that you should speak every single day. Or you were just thinking that you're lacking of time or you're lacking of friends, partners. So guys, you shouldn't a partner, a friend, because still now you're thinking that you can speak by yourself, but you're feeling a little bit scared. You can remove it by yourself. How? If a question is coming on how we can remove it. So guys, speaking is the major thing that there is only one solution, that you have to speak by yourself. As you can see, there is a person behind me. I think you can guess it. So tell me in the comment box, who is this one behind me? So guys, I'm telling that for the very first time, it is difficult. But guys, you are not a learner. You are definitely a very great person to speak English. You're an English speaker. You're a really great English speaker. So guys, I'm also telling that here the sun is bright so much and looks so amazing today. And guys, I'm feeling so well. So I want to know that how about you? Thank you so much. Goodbye.